We've been using this Greek chicken marinade so much lately. It pretty much guarantees juicy, tender, flavorful chicken. I love it with a side of veggies or piled onto salads like our homemade Caesar salad.
It gets the happy dance.
Okay, so this marinade is packed with flavor. Start with a teaspoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1.5 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. Then we need a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon-ish of chopped fresh dill, 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced, a bit of dry oregano, and the secret to this marinade, plain Greek yogurt. We add 3 tablespoons if you can actually get it out of the spoon. Toss in some salt and pepper, then add your chicken. This marinade can do about 2 pounds of chicken. You want to marinate for at least an hour, but longer will always be better. Just don't go too far past 8. You can cook the chicken however you like, but this is my favorite method. Sear the chicken on both sides in a grill pan for some color, then transfer to a baking dish, pour the remaining marinade over the chicken, and bake until cooked in the middle. I mean, look at that. It's so juicy and flavorful, and thanks to the yogurt, our chicken is super tender in the middle. I just love it. See you next time.